Tá na fórne aidín scomálob ní vín riamh blin ní bliana, so mar hampla ní aontain na súca blina chun leis an bor agus na bheoch an bheochtínta gháile mar hampla, so cean fáin nach bhéit fud an eile a sinní an bliana ní gá go bhéad cíirí blá léir mar tá na fórne móra go minic ní aidín lob, so séirt measú leis ná go dtí bútar nó bliana, sinna méid déirsna.
Oh yeah, it's massive. Like you know, if you jump straight from minor up there, it's too big a jump. So 20s is the perfect balance to get exposed to high level football. You know, inter-county 20s level football is a serious level. So then to be able to build on that and go up to senior level after, it's really a massive stepping stone. So yeah, no, it's brilliant.
Is deis úntacht im leorí óg a fé fethe iad héna chur sa ivinóg das na sínsir agus snéan rud a háútha. Tá sí a chuidíanamh de fé fethe agus déanamh comachas is féidir lá. Ach na dhéag son i chafárá go bhfuil spricus cosun nachta mar le fórna sínsir cúnta agus istáilm na fórna sa tuaisgur fé láthar tá siad láidir.
Well, for me personally, it's a must-needed step because it's the step before you go into senior, and minor is totally different than under 20. I can even tell in the first few in the pre-season. You know, you're up against much bigger opposition, and it's vital that you get it just so you can transition easily.
Ten rud is smooth am isib main sásas fi láthar na go gahar trúr bheith focaí thuas a gúnaí. Cílíonn sin go gahan na fórne ar fad a bheith beganí níos cliste ina go dimmartha, agus cílíonn go bhfuil peladóirí a fáil deistóí é héana spointe ríist ar bhealach rud nach le feicáil beidir le rion séú den, ach sin rud is smooth measú leis in thirsin ar fad na tá na bainisteoirí sa coppla mí caite go. Níl chuil thuir spointe fós a go béis le feicáil, ní siad gur an cota scuile amachchas amhála fós. Tá stúlan goteach an cota amachchas amhála sa gríomh chomórtas agus go bhheicimid cén deach go bhééis acapsnair agus cén stoí umpúí na siad san bunos cún an na rialachaí.
A county that hasn't had too much success. Like we were in Offaly where we've been starved of success for a long while. So to win that 20s championship meant a serious amount. And then obviously the hurlers have come as well the last couple of years, and they won 20s last year. So you know, it really gives a boost. And I think it really gives positive signs for the future. You know, if people are looking and seeing that our county actually has good youngsters coming through, you know, it gets people behind the senior teams as well. So it's just pushing things in the right direction. That's what we've found in Offaly, that hopefully things are going in the right direction, and we on the senior front we can keep it going in the right direction as well.
Yeah, well, look, we're very proud, first of all, of Cormac and what he's achieved with Offaly, and a former winner of the Under-20 Championship. And then right around the country, we've got people joining us who are playing with their local clubs, playing with their counties, and we're really focused on people development within Dalata. So it's great to be associated with a competition that's associated with player development, which is all about development of future inter-county players and in fact club players as well.
Ach tá imróí úntach a gachúnta, tá imróí úntach hís ige corcaig I cúige mún, ha cúige lein ha an bhí agus bailachlí déanamh go húntach an son féis, tá uháile le roinnt blianta nuas déanamh go húntach ar fad agus galibh agus maó ag an drá seo trí blian ó hins na míúir bhíidir sunsa Beidh Craobh, so tá imróí den sco I gachúnta agus is comórtas úntacha agus tá muid flead I tnú leis.